Hi everyone, it's Esosa here again and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. A very special thanks to you for tuning in and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Without wasting much of our time, you already know what it is. We are going to be preparing a very special and delicious spaghetti stir fry. I can hear someone asking, do I have to break the bank before I eat this kind of food? My response to you is, have you forgotten we are pathfinders? We ransack the market for the best at a very low price. Oh yes, this recipe is less than €6. Can you beat that? We've got chopped carrots, eggs, onion, sausages, red bell pepper, bay leaf, parboiled spaghetti, ripe plantain, seasoning powder, salt to taste, and all other seasoning spices. Can you beat that? Let me leave you to watch the process because this video has a lot of text. Out of the miry clay, Lord, you lifted me. Out of the miry clay, out of the prison yard, Lord, you set me free. Out of the grave, you rescued my soul.